welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. You are welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is MM. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited today because I'll finally be relaxing my hair, which I've had for 4 years. I started my hair dyeing in 2016 because I had a bald spot and I decided to shave it all off, but I didn't want to shave the entire hair off, so I decided to shave the side and I left the middle. So basically I transitioned the middle because the middle was still relaxed and I just the sides grew from the scratch. So I have a type 4C hair, but my hair textures are different. The middle is different, it's softer than the sides. I don't know whether it's because I transitioned and had a big chop. So today I'll be relaxing my hair with the olive oil hair relaxer, the no-lye hair. Excited, and I've wanted to do this for a long time, since the beginning of this year, and I believe I'll be able to take care of my hair because I'm more aware and educated on how to take care of your hair to be healthy than I did years ago. So I hope everything goes on. So guys, this is the olive oil hair relaxer, the no-lye hair relaxer. So I've already unboxed it. So this was what was in the pack of the olive oil relaxer. So you have the relaxer and you have the olive oil activator. Then you have the creamy aloe shampoo. So this was step 2, it's written step 2. Then step 3, the replenishing pack with penetrating hair conditioner, and you have the mousse, the wrap set for styling after washing, and also you have the moisturizing lotion. Also included was the step-by-step instructions. I've taken off my cornrows and I will be back. So I'm done loosening the cornrows. Not so much, but I'm excited. So excited. I'll be dividing it into 4 parts. Yeah. So my friend Ifnaya is helping me apply the relaxer. First of all, we started from the mid shaft and we'll apply the 4 sections of the hair. Then we'll come back and extend the relaxer from the roots to the ends. And yeah.